Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Indie Zone. My name's Kathy. We have an update for you with respect to the matter styled as State of Florida versus Jonathan Lee Riches. Mr. Riches has been charged with one count of misdemeanor battery, and that arose out of a document that was filed by the Assistant State Attorney of the state of Florida, Direct Information, on April 27th, 2026. There was a notice of appearance on behalf of Mr. Riches just 2 days later. On the 29th of April, he is being represented by private defense counsel, attorney Philip Michael D. Spirito, in this matter, and he has entered a plea of not guilty. Now, there was supposed to have been an arraignment before the trial court, Judge Joseph Justice, on June 2nd, 2026, and it's still showing on the docket there in Pasco County. However, there's some question if it proceeded. There's no court minutes. There's nothing canceling it. It is referenced as a court event under event date. But there is a follow-up conference now, pre-trial conference, that has been scheduled to occur on July 2nd, 2026 at 9:30 a.m. before Judge Justice. That's at the West Pasco Judicial Center. And at that time, it is anticipated that the lawyers will be present. Sometimes the defendant will attend along with his or her attorney, but it's not required. It doesn't look like there's anything that's been filed by the court requiring Mr. Rich's attendance on July 2nd for pre-trial conference. Now, looking at the docket, there's been nothing filed since a bevy of activity on May 21st. And this was a filing of notice of confidential information within the court file. That document is under seal. There's a witness list that was filed on the 21st of May. There's an answer to demand for discovery, and that was filed by the state. Then a notice of costs of the prosecution in the event that there is a conviction or possibly a guilty plea. As of right now, Mr. Riches is deemed not guilty, just like any other defendant, under the eyes of the law until or unless there is an adjudication of guilt following a trial or there is a plea. And there's nothing of that sort on the docket as of yet. We will continue to keep you posted as further developments arise. Until next time, this is Kathy. Thank you very much for joining us here today.